Good morning, year one, and welcome to week 6 of our maths lessons. So this week we're going to be looking at division. Now division is the opposite to multiplication. So generally speaking, numbers get smaller when we divide. But before we start, we're going to have an arithmetic starter. Now, what I want you to do is have a go at making as many different sums to 10. So we're looking at how many different ways we can arrange counters on a 10 array, but you could use anything as long as they're just two different colours and you draw a 10 array out on a piece of paper. So for example, I'm going to show you the first one I'm going to do. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green, and I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And now underneath that, or on another piece of paper, I'm going to write 6, which is the green, plus 4. Because it's a 10 array, I know it makes 10. Now your challenge, and you can set a timer for this, grown-ups, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, is to come up with as many different sums as you can with that. Now I'm not going to mark them because you can work them out yourselves, but try to come up with as many different number bonds to 10. And when you're ready, start the video again and I'll introduce you to division. Okay, so welcome back. I bet you did brilliantly with that. Now, this is your first ever division problem. I have 10 apples and I want to put them in boxes of 2. How many boxes will I need? I want you to have a think about how we could do that, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to do it using the box that I've placed here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to count 1, 2, and then place a box around it. So that's our first box of 2. Count 1, 2, and place a second box around it. Count 1, 2, and we're going to put another box around it. So far we've got 3 boxes, but we're not finished yet. Count 1, 2, that's a 4th box. And there's 2 left, 1, 2. So let's read the question again and work out what we need to do as the answer. I have 10 apples. I want to put them in boxes of 2. Well, we've done that. How many boxes will I need? Well, you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So the answer would be 5. Or if you really want to show off, you could put 5 boxes. Okay, got another one. I have 12 oranges. This time I want to put them into boxes of 3. How many boxes will I need? You have a go on your own, and when you're ready, I'll go through it. So again, we're going to put our boxes around. So this is our first box. Now you could just draw these, and when you're doing the work independently, that's what you're probably going to do. That's the second box. So 1, 2, 3 in the first box. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 in the second box. You probably can work out 1, 2, 3 in the third box. And yep, you guessed it, 1, 2, 3 in the fourth box. So how many boxes will I need? Exactly the same, 4 boxes. Now, last example. Sorry, excuse me. I have 8 LOL dolls. I want to put them in boxes of 2. How many boxes will I need? Well, have a go at putting them, counting them out, drawing them in, using counters however you want to, and put them into sets of 2. And when you're ready, I'm going to draw it this time to show you what you could be doing when you come to do the main part of the lesson. Okay, so here we go. Put them in boxes of 2. There's the first one. 1, 2. Let's count them again. 1, 2. That's the second box. 1, 2. That's the third box. And 1, 2. That's the fourth box. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing. And here is the independent task with which to do it. So this side are the slightly trickier ones, and this side are the slightly easier ones. You decide which ones you want to do, and you can see that I've put all the counters out for you in each case. Okay, so I'm sure you're going to do brilliant with that. And when you've finished, we do have a plenary which will introduce you to another way of dividing, which is what we're going to cover tomorrow. So pause the video now, and when you've done that, start the video again and we'll go through the plenary. Okay, welcome back. So I've got 6 boxes and 12 pieces of fruit. How many fruit will I put in each box? Now this is called sharing. It's the more common way of doing division. So we're going to count out. And I'm going to put 1 in each box each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that all of them? No, it said there are 12 pieces of fruit, so let's keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 12 pieces of fruit. We had 6 boxes. How many fruit are in each box? Let's count them. 1, 2. There's 1, 2 in that one. There's 2 in that one. 2 in that one. 2 in that. 2 in that one, and 2 in that one. So the answer is 2, or 2 pieces of fruit, if you really want to do amazing work. And that is the 2 ways you can divide. You can divide by grouping, like this, or you can divide by sharing, which is what we've done there and what we're going to be looking at doing tomorrow and on Wednesday. Okay, that's the end of today's maths lesson. Well done, you.